greeting everyone.
Peter Ignatius Arzubiganiri,
My name is Peter Ignatius Arsu.
Wuhanu Jack.
Yeah, call me Jack.
Busele na tiga apa iriche, ida boleh lem kue ipe le lau mamu nube buye on na lem ge.
I want to make a correction about what the older brother said. I'm not a spiritual healer. I'm just a messenger.
And guna badna guna dere guni le numa boy home ariyo memory like me engana le bene guni guen le.
And I'll be able to share with you later after what I'm going to say.
Kile de bebe wafadira mangisi hagamba hono no hogele di mahali be.
I like the way you have spoken.
And lal wahoba iriche kile bebe.
And we're going to find the truth the way you asked.
Walu have iriche.
We will look for the truth.
Lugo don abur hal iriche le hada garino.
You know?
Abur hal iriche hada garino.
Because this truth has fallen away from the Garina people.
And ayane wada ga anihe wama ayane gete wada ga harito gogoto na mi la wama.
Some of us have it, and some of us think we have it.
Ligete wapose belon wafar da ko ya ogunya lo ware la deiru balale yi be no magete la deiru balale wo be.
That's why
Dige wafa belo wade ni le yi be lugete wade ni le wo be.
that's why we have to find what we have, what there is and what is not.
Gibetwa gusien to lo wariangu ne lelbe wariangu ne o mabiwa muti dan lo wariangu lelbe wariangu ne.
A lot of us want to say what we want to say, but we don't get the time to say what we want to say.
Keti buka ogunye tilika le dan le kele le bebe wafa deri madewa bay sunku bele walu bay ogunye la gumise ha bay le.
But like Chris said earlier, we're not going to find all the answers today, but we will be starting today.
Lukuto yanu le gas la gumise lo lumo ge chatuye daka lumo la gumo hon.
Because this conversation has to start from Satuye up to the last one,
Up to the very last.
up to the very last.
And the very last is not yet.
And eventually we'll go home.
Walu hayaya wasurisi agumento.
Because we are looking for our healers today.
And see me wasurisi ya madere bodo wongo haliga lawa yabe.
Without our healers, we're not going to find out where we come from.
Ya bane peta homa lubame ariyo managi buda.
This is where I'm going to end for now. And later I'll come back.
It's on.
Good morning. My name is Frida Paulino. I was born in the country of Belize in Punta Gorda town in the Toledo district. I was a little bit surprised when I was asked to be on the panel. And I think, well, I know that my tears had a lot to do with being called out. No, I am not a Boye, but I am on a deep journey. I am on a path. And it's on a path to self-awareness. I know that there is something very valuable in what it is that I have to share in regards to my journey. But I also find it a blessing, and it has been beautiful.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Frida Paulino Nilbe.
I is.
Pwede na.
Yes.
Uye.
No, I am not a Buye,
Mama
but I am on a
Buye, yeah.
journey. I am on a journey.
Wagak na bugadale ano da have na lo hada na la mo halbe hayam hayaw uye.
He is Buye. I was embarrassed.
O apaga na musu kusiga.
Yeah. But I know that there is something special. There's a message that I have to share.
Afia na ni hela ka te huliliti no abule lo te la fare no.
So, what it is that I can share right now would be that the ancestors are persistent in offering me songs.
Lelo na fare ni ko mala o ya hela yuna go ga wala la usenti no afa lo ichi from kate.
And they sing songs.
Ichi go kuremo no.
Yeah, with a message.
Labo dimore preso.
And I'm hoping that maybe before the end of the program that I'll encourage Jack to be able to share a little bit for us to be able to share.
Nafa walo la de Jack no solida ga fare ho ni lira kuma.
Serenade.
Usuga kina honso ibuhenyo ya. Manuela Liribay, Nasiru Wanali Daba Lira Refulasu, Masi Galiri, Honduras.
My name is Manuela. I was born in a small place called Masca in Honduras.
Rutina Sereme, Lubundi, Usunti Gabafu, Lagu, Hadere Hani, Hahari Wayunagu, Ideve Sele, Nabi Wehamadi.
I thank God Almighty for the gift I have gotten from the ancestors.
Anaha Gualida Umale, Masugili Gufaranda Nani Sarak.
I still have not understand it completely.
Ladiga bara abakate subuti numuti loabu kala to agu arubon anihila aba ere specific le wabihube.
One thing I know is that everyone that is called have a specific strength that we receive.
Na subuti ruba le ladiga DCC rumu na chilu rubei merigo.
I know that because I arrived to the United States when I was 16 years
Ruma
old.
geni bagari mabina hat na punta ibidi tini uremuno.
Before that, I have not danced in Garifuna in my life.
Kale halo haba nina hahari wayunagu ligia deve se le ichi kubeno abina hani lumerem hani.
Stop the gift that it gave me, dancing and singing.
Bueno, ligeba le tiara bailu na fali hani.
That's what I can be able to share with you today.
Serem.
Thank you. Out in Ayano Hanagania. Dapat ya, we didn't have it done. Ruben Reyes ni anahaya lo nagama hawa ke sasa mgu luago ti afia bone le lana garif na gol anu ge ala ta honi tolong tu gawara na me nata no ho. Good morning everyone. My name is Ruben Reyes. I am here to be able to listen from the Sasam that are panelists here today and here in the audience. We'll be able to share questions and answers at the end of this panel. Lelo ke nafani hani huma katifun. Meme ke hisi ati lead them at the melodishi gudarif nano. Hisi ati nuna chia han gawa ti kata wala halina wama. Itu wala ita gawa wama.